Are you thinking about moving to Larkspur and you want to know more about it? Well, today I'm going to take you on a walking tour of the heart of Larkspur. So let's get to it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're thinking of moving to Larkspur, California, or anywhere in Marin, in the next 9 days or in the next 9 months, reach out, call me, text me, email me. I love to help people make a smart, smooth move. And without further ado, I'm approaching Magnolia Avenue, a very popular place with lots of stores, shops, and restaurants. This first place is Perry's. It had a long history as the Lark Creek Inn prior to Perry's, which was one of the best restaurants in Marin County. Perry's took it over several years ago, and it's a really fun place to go to. This is Equator Coffee, very popular place. And now I'm coming up at Pizzeria Picco, a very popular pizza place that has grown in size due to the pandemic, as you can see with all those parklets and outdoor seating. Right next to it is the Picco Restaurant, super good food, high-end. And now the Larkspur Library. There's a history here. As you can see, it's a pretty old building. The Larkspur Library began in 1913. 7 women from the Larkspur Women's Club began the library. This library has a mascot. In 1970, there was a contest, and the name Larky was chosen. It's supposed to be a cheerful hippo that's yellow. Here we are at Emporia Rulli, one of my favorite places to go to for coffee. I see their parklets are already gone. Thank goodness they have this outdoor seating that they've always had. Okay, still continuing to walk down Magnolia Avenue. And now we're coming up on the Lark Theater, which really has quite a history. It was built in 1936, and it is listed on the National Registry of Historical Places. After decades of being in business, it eventually fell into disrepair and wasn't used anymore in the late 1990s, and in fact, it was slated to be demolished in 2003. And then a bunch of local residents got together, and they created a campaign called Save the Lark, and they managed to save this magnificent structure. Today, it's a non-profit and continues to thrive. And here's another interesting place that houses the Left Bank. The Left Bank originally started as a hotel. Guess what its name was? Oh, there we are, Blue Rock Inn. Okay. It wasn't Blue Rock Inn in the beginning. You see those pillars right there? They changed the name when they did a remodel of it, and they used that stone, which is a locally quarried stone. And this, it's St. Patrick's Church, which also has a long history. It was originally built in 1899, and it was named by the person who donated the land underneath it. His name was Patrick King. And if you'd like to get some additional exercise, try going up and down these stairs. There's a lot of them. And this is Dolliver Park. I used to bring my kids here all the time when they were young. We called it Dark Park because it's heavily shaded. It's a very peaceful place to go, and there's never very many people there at once.
I hope you've enjoyed this tour of Larkspur, and if you're enjoying the content of my videos, please subscribe and hit the bell notifications so you'll be first to notified when I drop a new video, which is at least every week. Also, if you have some kind of ideas of what you would like to see in a video, I'm filming all the time, so seriously, add a comment below and tell me what you'd like to see.